Jim Butler, the Chevy Powerhouse. We're the #1 Chevy dealer in the Midwest with over 2,000 vehicles to choose from and an exclusive Fresh Start program to get you approved. Why buy from Butler? We check all the boxes. Plus, we sell over 1,200 vehicles per month and 7,000 pre-owned vehicles per year. So we've made the process fast and easy, enabling you to shop 100% online, and we deliver nationwide. If you've got a vehicle to trade in, we give you more for your trade, and that's a fact. Whether you're buying a new or used vehicle, Jim Butler gives you CARFAX For Life. This helps you track your vehicle's value, maintenance, and even open recalls. Looking to buy a used vehicle? Take advantage of our 10-day pre-owned exchange policy, get an in-depth vehicle history with a free CARFAX, and your vehicle is backed by Butler. Most of our new and used vehicles come with our Powerhouse Lifetime Loyalty Protection Program to give you a worry-free driving experience. Thanks to our great customers and fantastic team, we've won a ton of awards over the years, and we are one of the top dealers in the country. Shop with confidence at JimButlerChevrolet.com.
Jim Butler is the Chevy Powerhouse.